Open sensor from AliExpress. We already installed it on this car. It's placed in this area, and this is how it works. I can close also. The kick sensor is connected directly to original trunk open button, this one, and in simple words it just duplicates the signal. It does the same like you press on this button. And as my car has keyless access, it works just as expected. And short about installation. We didn't make any additional holes in the car body. We just take off this one, take off this one, take off this whole part, this, and then we put sensor inside through this hole. Then we move wires in this direction, then in this, and all 6 wires are connected in this area. Then we connected the kick sensor wires to original wires. Unfortunately, we needed to cut original wires to connect. And about the wires, there are 6 wires, 4 of them important, 2 of them not very important. First one is ground, second one is constant plus, and third one is connected to this button. And after that, the device is already works. And fourth important wires, it's accessory. It's kind of weird. When you start your engine, this sensor is disabled and doesn't work. The last 2 wires, which I said not very important, they need to close action. So one of them we connected to this button, which close the trunk, and second of them we connected to this lamp to indicate the sensor that it needs to execute close action. If I turn on the ignition or just accessory, the sensor doesn't work anymore. But if I close, and then try again, nothing happened. And works again. So in my case, the AliExpress kick sensor works great, and now my car looks like a car from premium segment. And to sum up, I want to say 2 things. That again, this sensor performs the same action like your original tailgate open button. And second one, that you don't need to connect the last 2 wires to close trunk if you don't want.